we have division of algebraic fractions. How we do division of algebraic fractions? The same like division of fractions. So we have to copy the first fraction, but because we have here only t squared minus 1, so I will change this t squared minus 1 to fraction. I can write that this is t squared minus 1 over 1. Now we have algebraic fraction, and we have to change division sign to multiplication, and now the second fraction we have to flip. 1 plus t now will go to numerator, and 1 minus t will go to denominator. This is equal. Now we have multiplication of algebraic fractions. It means numerator times numerator we have to multiply, denominator times denominator. So we have t squared minus 1 times 1 plus t over 1 times 1 minus t. So this is 1 minus t. Next, we have to reduce to the lowest terms. We know that we can reduce when we have multiplication. We reduce numerator with denominator, and we have to have the same expression in parentheses. In that moment we don't have, but in first parenthesis we have t squared minus 1. So we can rewrite that this is t squared minus 1 squared. And we have difference of two perfect squares. And next we have 1 plus t. I will put first variable t plus 1. This is the same expression. And because we will have from the difference of perfect squares first t, so I will change the expression in parentheses in the denominator to t minus 1. How I do this? I will tell negative sign before parentheses. So in parentheses I will have negative 1 plus t. Now if you multiply, negative times negative is positive 1, and negative times positive t is negative t. So we have still the same what we have at the beginning in the denominator. I didn't change anything. So this is equal. Now formula for difference of two perfect squares. Let me remind you, when we have a squared minus b squared, this is equal a minus b times a plus b. In this example, a is equal t and b is equal 1. So now we can rewrite our numerator. First parenthesis we will have t minus 1 times t plus 1, and we have t plus 1 over negative sign we copy, and first I will put positive t minus 1. Now we can reduce t minus 1 with t minus 1. So we have in the numerator t plus 1 times t plus 1, so this is t plus 1 to second power, and we have over negative 1. Because here when we cancel out t minus 1, divide t minus 1 by t minus 1 is 1. So we have negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. And now when we divide positive by negative, so will be negative, and t plus 1 to second power divided by 1 is t plus 1 to second power. This is my solution.